had to say in Washington this morning. We will, of course, be bringing you this briefing live. So a number of other government ministers, I think, are expected to be alongside Simon Harris. Heather Humphreys is due to be alongside Simon Harris and the Taoiseach Simon Coveney. Clearly, we are in unprecedented times that a briefing like this is taking place. And I wonder, is that Dr. Tony Holohan that we're seeing there? So we'll take this live.
Good morning, everybody. The measures that the government is announcing this morning are unprecedented in their scale and in the effects that they will have across Irish society. Never before has such drastic action being taken in the face of a public health threat. However, what we are outlining to you has not been decided upon lightly. It's based on the sound and considered advice of our foremost public health experts to act early and widely. The irony is that in order to pull together as a country now, we are asking Irish people to stay apart. The closure of our schools, our creches, our universities and our cultural institutions will disrupt everyday connectivity, a connectivity that makes us who we are. The days and weeks ahead will be difficult, and the government cannot succeed on its own. As the Taoiseach has said, the coronavirus has no cure, no vaccine, and we have no immunity. And so the most effective tool that we do have is to do everything that we can to slow down the spread of this virus. We're acting to protect the most vulnerable in our society. Those who are vulnerable are precious. And that is why the actions that we're announcing today are absolutely necessary and justified. COVID-19 will have a deep impact on people's ability to do their jobs, to go to work. And clearly that will have a broad economic consequence. And so we are asking people to continue to work. Where possible, employees and businesses who can work remotely should do so. Those who go to their places of work should limit their contacts, particularly face-to-face meetings. If you're showing symptoms, you should not delay. You should immediately self-isolate. At a most basic level, we need to continue to follow hand washing and hygiene advice. I know that everything that is being announced today is an awful lot to take in. I'm a father, a husband and a son too. And I understand the concerns that many households will have across the country. But we do need to respond with calm, with unity, with discipline and with resolve, collectively together. This is a phase that we have been planning for some time. These are the right measures at the right time, based on best public health advice, not only in Ireland, but in the European Union too. We need to support each other. We need to support our healthcare workers. We need to follow the advice of our healthcare professionals. If we follow these steps, Ireland will get through this in time, and we will protect lives, many of them, if people act together and take the advice that they need to.